So that's how they take off the construction site stickers. They burn it off. Legendary. See, when you ride with me, you find out things. You already know. There's a whole lot of bullshit going on around here. Whole lot of bunch of bullshit going on over here. What the hell going on over here? Alright, my man. Oh, that green thing hard right there, boy. That shit clean. That shit clean. Man, I'm just so thankful to still be out here riding, man. Riding and moving, sticking and grooving. Respect the fallen. Shout out to the OGs out here, still hanging out, enjoying their life, and then even though it's cold, still out here. That's what I'm talking about. What you doing, baby? Where you coming from? The girls. It's closed. Ooh, that blow off sound crazy. I know, little man. I see it. We know. Big truck down there pulled over. Big truck pulled over. Is he rolling? Yeah, he's moving. I thought he was just stopped. Well, since he is moving, let me get over here and get behind him. Let's continue on my route. That's right, brother. Get on up out of there. Get on up out of there. Biker to a biker. Black BM, what size is that? 530? I like the 5 Series. Trying to talk my people into getting the M2. What you think is better? M2, M3, 5 Series, or a 7? You know? Damn, what's going on around here? Turn my eyes for 1 second. It slid up on me. Just keep my eye in the mirror, huh? Right, baby. I see you peeping, girl. Seeing you peeking. She got herself a little sneak peek. I'll pull over real quick right here. Turn my phone alarm off. Certain amount of time. What time is it? think that was at 3 o'clock alarm. Why my phone is stopped. I'm playing the music. La música, muchacho. As we proceed, though, got the Hell Keezy out here, wide body. I like that one. Wide body Hellcat. Got the Christmas tree up, celebrating for the Ukraine, baby. Slava Ukrainia. American flag behind it. Yep, anything for you, baby. Ballin' with the re-up. Watch out, watch out, watch out. All right, all right, all right, all right. Zoop Nation. See you guys out here. Look at this beautiful place, man. Beautiful. I wonder what was there that they're still holding on to that little building right there. Corner of it. I wonder what that is. If anybody knows, comment below. What used to be right there? Hey. Oh, look at that. Turned the corner and voila. Magical place, man. Tour buses still out here. You see those anywhere around. Anytime you see those tour buses, you know the city's full of people. People coming in. Money's being spent. Be a man. Lift that neck up. Skirt, skirt. What you doing here, buddy? What you doing here, buddy? What you doing, boy? What you doing out here, dog? Alright. That's what he wanted to hear. He wanted to hear me take it up. That high-pitched voice. I know, I like it. I like it when she goes up high, too. She sings. Hopefully they didn't hear it. Which I know they did. I know they did. Sorry. Happy pimping, though. Happy pimping. Ooh. Did I just hear a dog bark? More than likely. All right, my man, my man, my man, my man. All right, let's see you guys. See you guys. What you doing here, bus? Let the man pass. I ain't gonna hurt you, girls. I'm gone. Just like that. I'm gone. Woo. Magnifico. Magnifico. Yeah, but I'm been a couple blocks and take it back down. Yeah, in fact, I'll just take it back down now. Fuck it. Yeah, but yeah. Quick little breeze through. Nothing special. Quick 5-10 minutes. Give y'all something. Let y'all know I'm out here in the winter. Top G still running the streets. Thank you for watching me. Please subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment. Like the video. Whatever you do, show me some support, man. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. You know, I do this for you. I come out here in the cold. Not only because I like to ride, but I want to give you guys a little bit of what goes on in my world of riding.